Hello everyone, welcome to the Bonsai Life. My name is Damir and today I just want to make a video, like just pruning video. Tiger bark, ficus, and this one is growing over the warm rock, and I will expose these roots like next year probably, because this is quite old tree, but usually it needs at least 5-6 years to establish on the rock. And here this one is really growing in that between those rocks, so this one will look like really good, but I don't want to disturb him now. I could just maybe lift him a bit, but I will definitely do the pruning. So I will start with the pruning, and then we can slowly move. So this is the front of the tree, and this will be normal, like a broom style. So I will start with the top of the tree with this longest branches, because I don't want them thick. I want really like fine branches on the top. So I will go up to the first leaf, so really short here, like this. This leaves on the clutches between the branches I will remove as well. These tiny branches shortened also. Here I have one leaf, so I will go up to here. Here I don't have much leaves. The lowest one is this one, so I will go with what I have. And this is really thick branch. It would be the best to remove this one. Like here I have one more. This one I can go up to like third leaf, but that leaf is pointing inside, so up to the second leaf. So here I have one here, one here. And this branch, this one, I have a leaf here, and that's where was the last cut. So I will just go a bit above that, and I will hope into some branches there, so something like this. And on that branch I have also this branch. I have a new one forming here, and here was the last cut, so I will here I had the leaf, so I can go up to here. And this one I have leaf pointing outwards, and I have a leaf inside, and I don't want that one. That one I will cut. And I have a tiny branch down lower, and I will just take a tip of that one, and I will take a leaf pointing upwards. I have one more leaf on the clutches there, and here I have one more branch, and I think I will take this branch totally off, because here this is my trunk, this is the branch that I was cutting just now, and then I have one branch that is actually on the same place like this branch, and I think this will go totally off, but for now I will just shorten it, and then I will return to this branch, but I'm almost 100% sure this one will go. Same thing. You see, I have here a branch, and this is the old branch, so I have like two branches on one place, and that's something I don't need. Yeah, I forget to prune this one. Again, I will take the leaves pointing upwards. This is the same branch. I will go as slow as I can. I have my first leaf here, and here I have some small leaf here. So, and then I have a new branch, and I will just take a tip of this branch. So now I have top pruned. Here, this is like quite new branch, so I will just take a tip of this branch, and I have a new one. I will just take this and I will take a leaf off. So let's move down lower. So I have this branch here, something died off, so I will take that off. I will take this leaf off. I will take this whole branch growing upwards, and I will take a leaf growing up, and I will take just the tip of this branch, and I'm good with this one. Here I have leaf like on the pointing sideways, so I will cut up to there, and I have a branch here, and I have old stop. I can take this one. I can take up to here, let's say, like this. This one is okay. Now I have this is my first this one. Here I have old stop. I have a leaf here. This can go up to here. This I will just take a tip of this branch, and here I have old stop, leaf, just tip of this one. This I will take just up to the first down facing leaf. Here I have one. He's not up facing, that's okay. I have here a branch facing upwards, and I will take that branch, and I will take this branch facing upwards like this, and I will take just the tip of this branch, so I have this pad is good too. So let's move to the next one. Stop. I will take up to the first down facing leaf, so just this tiny bit. Here I have a branch, new branch facing upwards, and I will take with that old leaf there. So here, this branch, stop from last pruning, I think, and I have a leaf pointing kind of downwards, so, and I have here new branch, and here I have few branches. I will take just like tip of these branches. I'll take a leaf pointing upwards, and then I have this branch growing upwards. I will take that, and I will take this leaf. And this one too. So this is the last branch, that's my first branch. And here I have one branch growing downwards, and I have one above that one. and these latter branches I really don't want. If I can, I could like turn this, put a piece of wire and turn this like sideways like this, put a bit more movement, take these up facing, like upward facing branches. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will just put a tiny piece of wire just on that branch. So this is 2 mil wire, and I will cut something like this, and I will use on this one, because I will start from up 45 angle, kind of. Yes, but I need in different direction because it will look better, so I have to start like this, because I will twist a branch that way. And I will just do a few turns. So this one is just like a little bit facelifting. Can like just a little repair. This one I will twist, and then I will apply the wire. I'm trying not to smash any leaves in the way, and I will put the wire on this thinner branch because that branch is colliding with that other branch, so I can fix that straight away. So I will put the wire on this branch, and I can move her. So like this. Since I applied the wire, I can play a little bit with the branch placement like this. I can shorten this branch a bit, so now it's a bit shorter than it was before, because I have more movement. And now what I don't need this. This could be lowered a bit more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just like turn this down facing, so I have up and down, left and right, something like this. And this is too long, so something like this. This can be cut up to here. I don't need now these up facing leaves. This one either. Here I have old stamp that will go. This leaf I don't need, and here I can take up to the second leaf, something like this. I will get something here, and when I get branch here, I can take this all off. This is sticking too up high. like this. Like this. Okay. So now I will return to that first branch that these branches now when I have my whole shape of the tree. So now I can look, do I want this branch or this branch? So that's why I didn't cut it straight away. Either of these two branches are good. Maybe this thinner branch now looks better. It's on the better place, this one, than this one. Because this one, this old branch, is interfering with this branch. And this one is on the good place. So I could take this old one totally off and leave this smaller to grow. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will take this older branch in favor of this branch because it's on the better place. And now this was the second branch with the two branches on the one place. This one is like really nice branch that is already developed. So yes, I could like change to use this one, but then I would have like leather branches, so I will cut these newer branches in favor of this old one. And I think I'm done with this tree. Later in the spring I will expose the nabari. So spin. So this is first tree, and this took really long time. So now I will start with the next one, and I think I will do a series of 3 videos. Depends how long I will work on this tree, because this is root over a real coral. This is from a sea. This I got as a present from one of my customers, like really more than 90 years old lady. And I got like 2 nice corals, or three of them, and I use them as a root over rock. So usually I don't recommend no one to use real corals as instead of rocks, because usually that kill the tree because it's very salty. But this I was boiling like in a water like 5 times. Then I leave it to soak 2-3 times in the water for a few days, and then again boiling, and the salt was finally gone, and now the tree is growing happily. So I will end with this, and on the next part will be this or this tree, one of these two. So see you in the next one. Bye bye guys, and have a nice day.